Good afternoon, dear children of class 3. Today I will teach you math, chapter 5, multiplication, page number 65, question number E. One row in a theater can occupy 27 viewers. How many viewers can sit in 30 such rows? This is a word problem and you have to write here answer. Viewers in one row equal to 27. Then viewers in 30 rows equal to 27 into 30. Firstly, we read table 7 3 chances. 7 3 ja 21. We will write here 1, carry 2. Then read the table 2 of 3 chances. 2 3 ja 6 or 2 8. Here is 1 0. Now we will write here 1 0. $810 viewers. Then question number F. Manav purchases 75 boxes of pencils. Each box contains 12 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Now we will solve this problem. Pencils in one box. Pencils is in one box equal to 12. Now pencils in $75 boxes. We will multiply 12 to 75 equal to, here will be multiply 12 to 75. Now we will read table 2 of 5 chances. 2 5 ja 10. 0 carry 1. 1 5 ja 5 or 1 6. Then we will multiply 12 with 7. Firstly, we will write here 0. Then 2 7 ja 14. We will write here 4, carry 1. 1 7 ja 7 and 1 8. Then we will add these numbers 0 0 0 6 4 10 0 carry 1 8 1 9. Then here will be 900 pencils. Then question number G. Find the approximate and actual values. Rounding the numbers to the nearest 10. First question, 65 into 21. Firstly, we will find the approximate value. Then we will write here 65 rounded off to the nearest 10 each 70. Here is 5 and above 5 the value will be 70 and 28 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 20. (21) is a nearest 10 is 20. So now approximate value 70 into 20. Firstly, we will multiply 7 and 2. 7 2 ja 14. We will write here 14. Then here is 2 zeros, 1 2, and we will write here 2 0. This is the approximate value. Now actual value. (65 into 21). Will multiply 65 into 21. 5 1 ja 5, 6 1 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10. We will write here 0, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12 or 1, 13. Then we will add here 5 0, 5, 6, 13. Here will be 1365. Now you have to solve like this question 1 to 6. After this you have to do question number H. One hotel has 6 floors with 212 people on each floor. How many people are there in the hotel? यानी एक होटल में 6 फ्लोर है और प्रत्येक फ्लोर पे 212 पीपल हैं। तो 6 फ्लोर पे उस होटल में टोटल कितने लोग हैं? तो सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं people on one floor is equal to 212. People on 6 floors equal to 212 into 6. Now we will multiply here 212 into 6. 2 6 ja 12, 2 carry 1, 1 6 ja 6, 1 7, 2 6 ja 12. Now the answer will be 1272. Question number I. A multiplex runs 12 shows in a day. how many shows does it run in 30 days? In 1 day. Shows in, we write here answer. Shows in 1 day. Equal to 12. Shows in 30 days. Now we will multiply here 12 into 30 equal to, firstly we will read the table. 12, 3 chances, 12 3 ja 36, and here is 10, we will write here 10, 360 shows. Question number G. Look at the pattern. And fill in the boxes. First question, 6 into 9 equal to 54. Then 60 minus 6. It is an example. Next question, number 2, 9 into dash equal to dash 70 minus 7. Firstly, here is given 70 minus 7. We have to subtract 7 from 70. Then here will be 63. Now we will read the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63. Then we will write here 7. As like this, you have to solve 1 to 5. Then question number K. Find the product. First question, 64 into 7. Now we will read table 4. 7 chances. 4 7 ja 28. We will write here 8 carry 2. Then here will be write a small 2, and then we will read table 6. 8 chances. 7 chances. 6 7 ja 42 and 2 44. Now we will write here 44. This multiplication is completed. Next example. Three TH H T O. $692 multiplied by 7. We will read the table 2. 7 chances. 2 7 ja 14. Right here 4 carry 1. 9 7 ja 63. 1 64. We will write here 4 carry 6. 6 7 ja 42 and 6 48. And now remaining question you have to solve as like these examples, and you have to complete page number 65. Thanks.